Okay, friends, I'm going to try it this way. So, A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, CH, chin, ch. SH, sham, sh. Let's do the welded. So these are the three welded that we've been talking about so far this year. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. And then these ones down here, these are the closed syllable exceptions. So we've been working with words with just a short vowel sound like I, but these ones actually say the vowel sound. So this is ILD, wild, isled. IND, kind, ind. OLD, cold, old. OLT, colt, olt. OST, host, oast. What we're going to be working on today are suffixes. So if you see these here, they are rectangle shaped, and the reason they do that is they want them to stand out. So when you're starting to read really long words, sometimes words can have two and sometimes three different suffixes. So it's really important you can pick out the suffixes and look for the base word. So if I did the word truck, so I have, I'll try to move this for you. So I have T, T, k, four sounds. This is a digraph. And the vowel is a short vowel sound. It's a closed syllable because there's only one vowel, and the vowel is followed by one or more consonants. So this is a closed syllable, that's a short vowel sound. So if I want to do more than one truck, I need to add the suffix s. So now it's trucks. Anytime you read in class a word with a suffix, you need to read it like this. Truck, trucks. So you need to just read the base word first and then read the base word with the suffix. Truck, trucks. The reason for that is that tells me that you know that the S is a suffix and you're able to identify the base word. And the way you mark that up is you underline the base word and then you circle the suffix. So base word, suffix. The other thing we have to learn is, let's change this to, can you read it? P-L-U-C-K. So P and L is a blend because those are two consonants next to each other and they're not a digraph. When you say the word pluck, you hear p, ul. So you hear the P sound and the L. P, ul, k, pluck. So let's say I wanted to do it past tense. So we could say Miss Adam was plucking the gray hairs from her head. I was pulling them out, right? Pluck. So I did it yesterday, so it happened in the past. So I'm going to do ed at the end. So I would read this, pluck, plucked. Pluck is the base word, ed is the suffix. Ed, if you remember, can make three different sounds. So ed can make this sound. When I draw these lines, that means I'm referring to a sound, not a letter. It can make the sound ed like ed, It can make just the D sound at the end, or it can make the T sound. So let's read this and we'll see which sound we hear. If we hear the T, the C, I'm sorry, the T, the D, or the ED. So plucked, plucked. I hear a T sound at the end. So this one right here would be a T sound. Okay, so what if I change it to I'm going to draw the first letter because I don't have two of these. Okay, so this is actually a two-syllable word. So it has two vowels. So the first syllable is in, and then the second syllable is sist. So insist, Ed. She insisted that I get my homework done or I'm gonna have to stay after. So insisted. So insisted. And what do we hear at the end? Insisted. You hear the ED sound. So for this one, it would be ED. Let's see if I have another one over here. Let's look at this word. So the base word for this is thrill, thrill. ED is the suffix, and much better when it's like high level rather than looking down. Anyway, so it's thrill and then ED at the end, thrilled. So when you say thrilled, you hear the D at the end. So that is an example of when it says the D sound. Okay, the next thing that you're going to want to do is get your notebook, and you're going to go to page 28 and 29, and you are going to write examples for ES, ING, ED, and we'll do all different three. I'll give it to you for the ED, D, and T sound. And then also over here for the S sound. The S suffix can also have two different sounds. If you look in here, it has between the two lines, it has the S sound here, and then over here, it's the Z sound. So if we did the word B-U-G, bug, and then we add a suffix S to say more than one bug, bugs. Hey, that S just made a Z sound, bugs. So sometimes the S will make a Z sound, and sometimes it just makes an S sound, like this word right here, which is chines, C-H-I-N-D-S. The I-N-D is a closed syllable exception. So I'm saying ind rather than chins. I'm saying chines. And chined would be the base word, and the S would be the suffix. So chines. I will ask you on one of the questions for your notebook, why are these suffixes on this page that says vowel suffix, and why are these suffixes on page 27 called consonant suffixes? What's the difference? Why are these vowels and the other ones consonant suffixes? So pay attention to that.